Hi, it's Gary Kayye. We're here at CEDIA 2023, and I'm here with Paul Harris from Aurora Multimedia. Paul, first off, congratulations on 3 incredible years in a row.
Oh, thank you very much. It's been quite the ride, and we've been enjoying a lot of it.
Yeah, you really, we had a lot of momentum going into the pandemic, but I think you really, what really helped you was during the pandemic, 2 things. Number 1, you could ship product, and number 2, you had the right mix of product that was needed at that time.
Yeah, we adapt. We're very good at adapting. We have our own assembly lines, our own engineering, so we're able to make products. And back then, we made the first temperature tablet to get onto market, helped a lot of companies out, helped us out, and it was a win-win for everybody.
So you're kind of a glue company. You're here in the CIX section of the show, which is the commercial side. But honestly, a lot of your stuff could be used in residential, and there's a lot of light commercial applications, especially the way you've sort of simplified room management and UC applications.
Yeah, absolutely. So aside from the commercial business, even for residential, we have beautiful on-wall panels that we can change the anodization to match the decor to bronze, gold, silver. So we work very well with that, where we know in residential they do take aesthetics very seriously. You can use them as night lights with the glow ring. Plus you can make it, it's in a girl's room, you can make it pink, boys' room blue, or who knows. But you can have a lot of fun with it. Look, residential uses test pattern generators, they use PCs, they use AV over IP. We'll gladly go, I put the same.
Well, the Ultra. The Ultra would be a good product because then you can watch multiple games at the same time.
Absolutely. The Ditto, which is the quad windowing, DSPs, and I gladly welcome it. We love doing shootouts against our competitors, so we definitely do not shy away from it. So we're one of those companies that say, bring it on, we'll show you that we have the best product for the best pricing, and we'll let them do a side-by-side and determine for themselves, not just hear all the marketing nonsense.
Well, at Infocom, you made a worldwide debut of this system that you have back here, which uses a touch panel. Was it 4-inch?
It's a 4-inch.
4-inch touch.
It's a 4-inch 1-to-1 aspect ratio.
And it can control the room. It can control your own individual microphone because there's a microphone built into here. You have your own speaker. Beamforming microphone. So it literally is it is actually going to be. That means also that because each person gets their own, you also will have a leg up if you use a system like this for spatial audio too, because you'll know where the audio is coming from. It has LEDs to let you know when it's your turn to talk or if you want to talk, but it's also a full-fledged voting system and control system all in one. USB-C. This one's battery operated. You have one with network.
It's going to be a wireless one, and we also have a version coming out with video inputs to work on our AV over IP and put 4K 60/444 through.
HDMI.
HDMI and USB-C.
So that would make it possible to be team certified too.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah, that's interesting. And then this one's a battery operated version. You have a wired version that has a network port on it. What's the traction been on this? I know it's a new product.
It's been fantastic.
What's the product called?
It's the RXT4D for desktop, and then the DV is the video version, DW is the wireless. You get the idea. And we're going to make a white version too. We have people asking us to do white, so we're going to do white also. Okay,
good. And of course, you can find out everything about Aurora Multimedia at auroramm.com. What do you show? Obviously, you're showcasing this year, but what else are you showcasing that we should know about, or what are you most excited about, I guess?
Well, that's definitely the most exciting thing that's actually been the biggest draw here is this. People are falling in love with the concept because it's a problem solver. Right now, people are doing conference rooms the wrong way. They're putting speaker bars in the front of the room, and it causes more problems. It doesn't solve problems because you're projecting the audio from the front all the way to the back. So you got loud versus lower, and the microphone's the opposite. Harder to hear versus easier to hear. Whereas this spreads it out, and it also gives you better use of the control. So that's why it's been exciting. But even our AV over IP, we got it down to 1.78 milliseconds, so it's 0 frame latency now on our 1 gig.
You're demonstrating that with a cool test pattern back.
Yeah, we did that test pattern generator. We're the only people to make an SDVOE test pattern generator, and it does HDMI and everything else. But that pattern in the background, that crazy looking pattern, we have patents pending on it. And it's measuring the latency across the network in real time down to microseconds, and we can also test for frame drops, which no one else does with test pattern generators as well.
Yeah, and of course everyone in the home market does networking, everything. I mean, everything. The home's been networked long before the pro side of the business, and
so it doesn't have to be our brand. So it survives the compression, the way we did the time coding in it to figure that out. So that's really cool, a new product as well. And then we got Dante Amplifier. It's simpler, but it's cool.
And we're actually going to go around and shoot individual product videos here so you can see what they've done. And we're going to share this both to the CEDIA channel and to the CIX channel. We'll put it in both places. So all you got to do is go to rAVepubs.com, click on the CEDIA link, and type in Aurora in the video search window, and you'll find all those videos and see individual product videos on everything here, from control systems all the way to signal routing and distribution and AV over IP products and complete conference room products. So thanks for joining us, Paul. Thank you very much. Congratulations on your success. We got a lot more CEDIA to cover, so check out all of our coverage at rAVepubs.com.